Hello, my name is Nathan Taylor, otherwise known as Sockmatician, and this is a video tutorial to accompany the Sockmatician's double knitted brioche ebook. This particular video shows you how to work the simple right-leaning single decrease in double knitted brioche. It's a single decrease because it reduces your stitch count by one single pair of stitches, one knit and one purl stitch. And as you can see on my needle, I've already rearranged my first two pairs of stitches from their ordinary knit purl order into knit knit purl purl. You can see I've got two brown knit stitches here with their blue yarn overs, followed by two adjacent purl stitches with their brown yarn overs. So the first thing to do when you're working a right leaning single decrease is just knit these two brown stitches with their yarn overs together. Just a simple K2 tog, but with 4 strands there because of the 2 yarn overs. Then I'm going to work the yarn over maneuver, take my pearl coloured yarn to the back of the work, going over the top of the right needle and bring it to the front, coming between the 2 needles, and then I bring the knit coloured yarn to the front between the 2 needles as well. The second half, the second decrease for this, is not just a simple purl 2 together, it's an SSP. We want to have our decreases leaning towards the same direction on the fabric on both sides, so we need to make sure that we work with a knit 2 together on the front and an SSP on the back, and here's how that's done. I slip one stitch with its yarn over, knitwise from the left needle to the right. I slip the second stitch also knitwise, also with its yarn over from the left needle to the right, and then I slip both of those 2 stitches purlwise. You can do that one at a time or together, whichever is easiest for you. Purlwise from the right needle to the left. Then I'm going to go round the back. I'm going to purl the 2 stitches with their yarn overs. I'm going to purl them together through the back legs like so. And then I'm going to finish by taking my knit coloured yarn to the back of the work there. And if we have a look at what we've just done, you can see that's very, very clearly leaning over to the right on the front, and we turn it over and the back should be leaning over to the left. And there we have our column of blue stitches leaning over to the left as they come together here. The simple decreases do, however, show the little colour blips there and there, but they're very, very simple to work. And that's all you need to know about working the right leaning single simple decrease in double knitted brioche.